Hi, my name is Ron Manalassis, and welcome to my session, The Flipped Classroom. So a few years ago, I decided to flip the classroom because, quite frankly, I was bored. And if I was bored, the students were bored. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to make the classroom environment more engaging. In order to do that, I had to get rid of some low-level DOK1 activities, such as note-taking. So what I decided to do was make videos. I made videos of my content and had students watch them at home, which freed up class time to do more activities and engaging labs. So what is the flipped classroom? The flipped classroom is a pedagogical model that inverts traditional teaching methods, delivering instruction online outside of a class and moving homework into the classroom. In a flipped classroom, the teacher moves from being a sage on the stage to a guide on the side. So in the traditional classroom setting, what happens during class? Students usually perform lower-level DOK1 or DOK2 activities, such as note-taking. After notes, students usually have some sort of a follow activity to enforce what they've learned in the classroom, and we assign that as homework. And if students struggle with the homework, unfortunately, there's no guidance or support for them available. So what do? They usually don't do the homework, or attempt it and struggle, or they come to class the next day and start copying their neighbor. In a flipped classroom, the low-level DOK1 or DOK2 activities are done at home, such as note-taking. So students go online and watch videos to obtain their content. And because note-taking is done at home now, class time is freed up for engaging activities for the mastery of skills and content. So why flip? So you can use your class time efficiently and effectively by using engaging activities for the mastery of content and skills. So where should you begin? First, you have to decide what kind of videos do you want to create and how much time are you willing to invest into making them. Do you want to create simple videos using existing PowerPoints and adding audio? Or do you want to create complex videos in which you'll add animations to them? Next, you have to decide, how do I want to share my videos with my students? And there are 3 ways that we can do it based on the technology that we have on our campus. First, we can share it through Google Classroom and Google Drive, or we can share it from our Google Drive through our class website, or we can share it from YouTube through Google Classroom. So what will you be doing over the next 3 sessions? You'll be creating a video using an iPad app called Explain Everything. You'll be choosing a method of distribution, either YouTube or Google Drive, whatever suits your needs. You'll be implementing the flipped lesson. You'll be sharing your outcomes with us, and possibly sharing in-class activities and strategies that worked well for you. Depending on the time that we have or the remainder of time that we have left, I'd like to show you a program called EduCanon that you guys can use as a formative assessment when flipping your classroom.